Welcome back to Fam. Shout out your family. If you are new, welcome. But if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So you guys, today I'm taking my road trip to Lesotho. You know, I've been there I think twice now, and then this will be the third time me being in Lesotho. Guys, it's nice, everything is okay, like it's chilled. So I'm going to meet with amazing content creators and obviously my friends. So I'm gonna, yeah, you're gonna see them, you're gonna see the things happening in this video. So right now, go through with me packing my clothes, and then we're leaving this country to the international country. Wow. Okay, you guys, done with packing and everything, and I had time to rinse off my face because it was so oily, you know. So I found time to rinse it off. So now, right about now, we're going to hit the road, and I'm crossing fingers for vibes because, guys, you know that and most often I'm going simply because of my business. I just opened a business whereby I'm selling out straw hats that are more special and are exclusive, you know. So yeah, if you are interested to purchase that straw hat, you can go to my Facebook page, you can go to my not Twitter, like TikTok page, and then you're gonna find me there. On my Instagram, you're gonna find me there. So you guys, I'm going to show off my straw hats after I have received them. You know, I'm going to meet a couple lot of people in Lesotho, and I'm so excited, I cannot hold it. No, so like, go with me right now. But rather about now, we're going to hit the road. Peace. Okay guys, I got to establish my passport, and then if you know this bridge one. Okay, so as I was saying, into Tele Bridge. So I just crossed the border. My passport is done being stapled that I'm leaving the country, you know. So now I'm between South Africa and Lesotho. Feels amazing, and you're gonna see, we're gonna vibe. I just don't wanna lie, we're gonna vibe. Like, watch out for everything that might come on my way, and I'm so fascinated to meet new people, to interact with them, and to know them better, you know, simply because others I used to meet them on the social media platforms. I haven't had that opportunity to meet them. So go with me and enjoy this vlog. Guys. So happy. So for now, peace.
tshepa fela ha le ka bosko mo mona. Ya tshepa fela ka bosko. Ke ile mama ke ba ba ka ditaba. Yo do wanze wamboza kanto. Yo. Alezana
Hello guys, I just arrived. I am here. This place is called Queeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeee loud and it does not have any noise. So right now I'm going to hop over to the KekeletsoQhali and I can't complain. The Mountain Kingdom is so green, you know, and it's so nice to be here. So I would like to get in touch with you guys. But yeah, all vibes. tsamaile jwang gana tse ke re ke ahle se ke fihlile tjentja ga ke re ke a tjwa ke ga watch nna ke utlwa ha ile ha tloma ke batlang ke bohogo tulo e ntse ke lakatsa ho tla o yona for so long but hey nna lo khona kae ho tu o khona kae